My name is Mohammed Zaki. I'm professor at the Institute for Manufacturing, Department of Engineering, but I'm also the Deputy Director of Cambridge Service Alliance, a research center that helps organizations to address the current and future challenges of digital service transformation. My research focus is customer experience, helping firms to use AI to design and manage experience better, but also generate some new revenue stream by using these capabilities. We are living in an experience economy, and customers demand more from their brands, specifically how they can deliver a consistent and delightful experience. In this course, we help professionals to design their future services by connecting digital and physical and social channels, and go beyond traditional tools that is being used for a while, like design thinking and journey mapping. The second part of the course will be more about how you can manage this experience. The more you offer digital channels to your customers, the more data will be generated as an outcome from this interaction and engagement. So there is an opportunity to use capabilities like machine learning and AI to enable you to understand your customer better. But given that you are, or your organization, investing heavily in these resources, it's importantly to see some of the return of investments. And here where the third objective of the course, how they can create revenue streams from using the data as a key resource. And we will go here with a structured approach to help professionals how they can do this with their organizations.